Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I have 3 brand new Dollar Tree DIY projects that you are going to love. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the alarm button so you know when I post my next video. Also comment below which DIY was your favorite. DIY number 1, you're going to need the wooden picture frame from the Dollar Tree and wooden beads. Now this DIY is very simple. All you're going to do is glue on the wooden beads to your picture frame. Now I did this freehand, but if you really want to be spot on, you would take a ruler and measure out where you want to place the beads. For DIY number 2, we're just making these really cute moss fillers that are shaped as a heart. So firstly, I'm going to just sand down the heart just so the paint can stick to it, and then I just add the moss. So for DIY number 3, it technically is not a DIY. I found this decor item at the Dollar Tree. It was labeled a table decor item. I'm assuming that it was used for napkins, but I thought it was going to be a really cool letter holder. I get so much letters, and sometimes you just want to store it somewhere accessible. So I decided to revamp it into a letter holder. I absolutely love the design that says family gather here. It matches more with my decor, but it is two-sided. So what I did is I just styled it on my console entry table. And there are all the DIYs for today. I hope that you will join me in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.